Light pole systems provides thread extenders that are used to extend the thread projection of light pole anchor bolts when they were set too low or are damaged by rust. The thread extenders screw onto the existing anchor bolts along with washers, and the light pole installs directly on top. The thread extenders need at least the diameter of the bolt in strong usable threads to work, making the thread extenders just as strong as new anchor bolts. This can be achieved by removing the existing nuts and washers, removing concrete dry pack, or chipping away concrete around the anchor bolt to expose more usable threads. See our other tech tip videos on how to remove rusted nuts and clean and repair rusted anchor bolts. The links will be in the description below. Thread extenders act as leveling nuts and are designed to level a pole, so no additional leveling nuts are required. Our thread extenders are sold in a set of 4 with nuts and washers and are available in stock for 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and inch to 3/4 inch reducer. Other sizes are available made to order. Our thread extenders are made of materials matching ASTM F1554 grade 36 anchor bolts, the industry standard for light poles. Our thread extenders have saved customers thousands of dollars by providing an alternative to replacing footings. To learn more about thread extenders or order, visit lightpolesystems.com or call 714-786-8983. Light Pole Systems, specializing in light pole solutions.